Good afternoon and welcome to another episode of Claire Hair, special Claire Hair tutorial. I'm going to be doing a Janelle Monáe inspired hairstyle. I am obsessed with her hair. Such an inspiration for my hairstyles as well. So you're going to be going off on whatever hair. It don't really got to be stretched because we're going to be putting enough gel to lay down cement. So we're going to be going in right now. It's pretty much split it. And as you'll see at the end of the video, I ended up making the part lower. So this is from the yoga video. I wish there was no such thing as copyright. So I can guys pay like a snippet of the video. Definitely go watch that as well. Because I feel like the video didn't get enough hype. The video is amazing. I just love the fact that, there's just this representation for us for natural hair. So I pretty much put it into two ponytails. I like to call it the third grade ponytails. Just going in and just twisting it down. And like I said, towards the end of the video, like I said, I did end up moving the part lower because, it just was not being cohesive with what the look I wanted to do. So I ended up moving it lower. So with her hairstyle, they pretty much did like a twist at the top. And then they ended up putting like a butterfly braid at the bottom, like a mermaid braid, which I'm just like, I couldn't get it right. So I ended up nixing that. But that's pretty much how my hair looks like now. So like I said, if you can see, I pushed the part a little bit lower. So you're going to be going ahead with this Kanekalon hair that I always have around. I want to say it's about 24 inches long. So I'm making two twists here. Basically, it's going to be like the same concept I did like a while back when I did my fro hawk. I mean, not my fro hawk, but like my Kanekalon hawk or whatever. But it's very key to lower the part because I had it right my right eyebrow and then I put it like above my ear for the most part. So I ended up going ahead and twisting that all the way down, and I ended up doing both. So this part is very key. So you want to go ahead. The main thing is to hide your natural hair for the most part. That's pretty much how I positioned it. I was like, how do I describe this? Like, your main thing is like to hide your natural hair, right? And it's not like more like a self-esteem thing. It's more like just so the look can be cohesive. I'm just showing you guys like the concept of what I'm talking about. And like I said too, you can also blow your hair out if you want the hair to be a little bit more cohesive. I'm going to pre-warn you, there are some waves involved. If you want to get your life jackets, there are some waves. So you want to go ahead right here and you're just making a circle. It looks to me, it looks like a rose. It looks like a little rose. It's cute. You're just going through right here and just rolling and tucking that. And then you want to pin the end first and then fluff out later because you don't want to it's going to get frustrating to you. So if you see me looking angry, it's because I wanted to make sure that it stayed in place. And then this part, the other part of the twist is that's just coming in just basically to hide the back part. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I wanted to make sure it was on there secure as well. But you see what I'm talking about. So use the parting as like basically I'm going to say use the parting as like your little base there. So you can see where to go. And then you're just going to go up right here. And like I said, you can blow your hair out straight so it can look a little bit more cohesive. But I was tired and I actually kind of like the wavy look. It kind of reminded me of Rihanna. I went ahead and did a couple of jumping jacks because I know someone's going to come for me in the comments saying, it's not secure. Not on my watch. So I went ahead and did some jumping jacks for y'all. So this is the ponytail I got from Diva Tress. This is the 30-inch 1B Yaki straight. Say that 5 times fast that I put on the head of my ponytail. And then I'm just going to twist this down to continue the look of the twist. And that's pretty much it. I think it's a cute, quick hairstyle. Like I said, if you want to blow your hair straight, you can make it look a bit more cohesive. I was so mad at that eyelash just jumping and jiving on my right eye. I was furious. But we're gonna go ahead and turn around so I guys can show you what I'm talking about. You just want to go ahead like a regular wrap ponytail. Yeah, I got this. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like it. Miss Janelle Monáe. You know I was not going to leave this video without showing some of my favorite hairstyles that she's done. This is a bouffant. I'm still working on how to do this without applying any heat, but it is coming soon. I think this is such a cute protective hairstyle. I feel like you can go to sleep in this, no problem. That's very important for me because I'll see a hairstyle and I'm just like, that's cute, but I would like to sleep tonight. But I really like it. I feel like it brings your cheekbones out. I really feel like that's like her signature style is that bouffant. And this is like a curved one. I think this is also really, really cute, really, really chic. I feel like of course, this was done on blown out hair as well, but I feel like they use like a pin curl up there, but it was really, really cute when I first saw it. You can see her signature is black and white. I think it was like in relation to her mother. I don't want to misspeak about it, but I think it looks beautiful. I feel like this hairstyle really works for people who have an oval face shape. And then this is one of her signature ones. Like, she loves herself a good Kanekalon braid. But this one was really cute. I really like this one. And like I said, like, I think the reason why I like her hairstyle so much is just that she tries to not use a lot of heat, or at least her hairstylist doesn't. A lot of these hairstyles can be done on stretched hair. Basically, put your hair in two pigtails and go about your business. But I really, really like this hairstyle. This one was really cute. It's very chic, almost gothic. And then this one too. The only reason I haven't done this hairstyle yet is because I cannot find hair like this that's gonna behave. Each Kanekalon hair I see, it does not stay, because I think Lupita also did a similar look as well, but this one's really cute. It's like a cute high ponytail, again, very chic. I don't know. I feel like natural hair wise, she's an icon to me. Same thing with Tiana Paris as well. She's another one that I had shown. And then this one, like I said, she loves herself a good braid. This is giving queen, bring hair to me, please. You know, like, I love it. It's really cute. It looks like they went in with Kanekalon hair as well. I can definitely say that I want to try this one in the future. But like I said, like, for me to perform or at least do a hairstyle, I really study it, think about how can I do it? Is it feasible for my account? And is it feasible for my patients? Because some hairstyles, like, they just take a lot of energy. I have no idea. And then this as well. This one was really cute. Looks like she's wearing a shirt from Balmain. I think it's adorable. I think it's another Kanekalon braid. She loves herself a good braid. Her hair has been pressed out. This is not stretched. So I really like that. She likes to play with textures, and I think she's worn her afro several times. So definitely an inspiration with that. But I just want to do like a little tidbit on Janelle Monáe because I feel like she doesn't get a lot of credit for her hairstyles, and she's definitely been a great contribution.